Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs, and this is the Reeves by Estetica, and this is in the color SilversunRt8 or SilversunRt8. If you didn't see the live stream where I unbox these and give my first impressions, I highly encourage you to watch that whenever you have time, because this wig has had a little bit of styling, not much, but everything that I've done to it was in that video and I have not touched it since. So if you want to know what I did to this and what it looks like when it's fresh from the box, I show it in that first impression live stream.
As long as they're getting a good discount. But in the case of most folks, I want to make sure I help you, because an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So, you know, it's always best to start at the bottoms, take the wig off. You've got the luxury of taking your hair off, so run with it. And just kind of do this dealio where you don't necessarily comb it super thoroughly. You just kind of graze the top of it and then let your fingers do the rest. And there's no product on this wig at all. You can see how she kind of fluffs up and comes to life. And now that she's a little detangled, I'm gonna gently comb back the front, because in doing that, that really helps the layering in the front lay a little bit more naturally. You'll see the difference when I put her on. And maybe just to be a fun one, just kind of hang her upside down, shake her, release those layers. You don't have to do it long. Now check this out. She fluffs up beautifully.
It's on the main landing page for our YouTube channel. So this is Reeves, and she's really cute. She reminds me a little bit of Blaze. Step back too.
All right, you're all in.
Can we get really close to you to show you this lace one?
Okay.
Is it focused in?
Let me zoom in a bit more. Okay, lace front, there you go.
Which has more monofilament features than this. This is a little bit curlier than that though. A little bit more sexy, saucy 1980s. I'm totally feeling this, it's beautiful. She has this really luscious, long, soft side swept bang. I mean, it's really thinned out. Look at that. And it just kind of goes whoop. Now that's a good thing, because this one does not have a lace front. You know what though? Reeves is still super cute and she gets the job done. If you didn't mind the cap construction on the Jones wig by Estetica, then you will really like this cap construction too, because it's the same cap construction. One really encouraging thing is that, you know, this is a really light color and I have a lot of lighting shining directly on it. Usually with synthetics, they're very, very reflective, particularly in really dark or really light colors. That's not news to a lot of you. But Estetica wigs are slightly more matte, so they're not as reflective. So I haven't washed this, I haven't really done much of anything to except play with it a little bit. And it looks pretty great right out of the box. I like this wig a lot. I think it's really pretty. And like all Estetica wigs, it's really comfortable. These wigs are really meant for people who have above average cap sizes. So let me go ahead and show you the cap construction and then we'll meet back here in a couple minutes. So let's check out the inside of Reeves by Estetica. She's got a little bit of perma tease on her, so she doesn't want to go right on the mannequin head that easily, but that's all right. We can get her on there because this is a little bit larger than average. Most Estetica wigs fit kind of like on the average large side of things. So this is a very, very stretchy wig. In fact, the cap construction on this wig is identical to her shorter sister, Jones. So if you like Jones and you like that cap construction, that's what you're gonna get here with Reeves. As I keep mentioning, she's very similar in style to something like the Blaze, which is another Estetica piece, except she's a little bit curlier, the curl's a little tighter, and the cap is a little bit more basic. So let's talk about that a little bit more specifically. This has an open cap construction, so it's kind of, you know, basic. It's also open here on the sides and in the back. which is really nice. We do have an extended open nape. There's no felt back here. Hook enclosures back here. One thing that I think is kind of a bummer, because I can live with the hook adjusters. I'm fine with them. They have their plus side too, and I just mentioned that. They last a little bit longer. There's no felt up here at the front hairline. For medical wigs, at this price point, there should really be some felt there. That's my opinion. It's competing with wigs at a similar price point that will have felt here at the front hairline. So it's cute, but I wanna make sure you guys know what you're getting when you buy it, because if I can minimize returns, that is a win for you and a big win for me. See what I mean about that cap? It's almost identical to the one you'll find on Jones. It's pretty basic, but at least the hair is cute and you get a lot of it. It's beautiful. This is a great haircut. Kudos to the folks at Estetica. If you like that kind of honesty, please consider becoming one of my patrons on Patreon to help me buy these things and keep this train a-rolling all night long. And if you can't afford that, you know, because times are tough and stuff, subscribe. Share this channel with a friend. Those two things are absolutely free and they help us a ton. And of course, hit me up in the comments. I'm always happy to hear from you guys. Thank you to AKGG and all my friends on Patreon. Thank you guys so much. Anyhow, have a great night, everybody, and thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay sane, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.